Hello YouTube and welcome to Fixitsamo channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make your personal portable AC that it works on a power bank and a USB plug. So let's get started. Okay guys, here's what we need. A 3-inch ABS tube. We're not gonna use all of it, just a few inches. We're gonna need two 3-inch cap, one coupling 3-inch, one 6-volt DC motor, and a container lid like this one. So let's get started. And now we're gonna start by making the blade. I got over here the 2.5-inch circular saw. And now I'm gonna be using these two washers. You can use any washer you want, and these two nuts to hold the blade in its place. And now we're gonna secure our blade. And now we're gonna cut two pieces of 2-inch from our tube. Alright, so these are the 2-inch pieces that I've cut before. They are not perfectly cut, but it doesn't matter. And what I've done over here, I put the first cover, I put like some kind of insulation. So what you're gonna do, simply we're gonna put the first part, the first 2-inch, and guys, don't forget to seal it, to put the plumbing glue. And what I have over here is kind of insulation to prevent the condensation. So we're gonna put the part like this, the first part. And then we're gonna add the coupler. Also don't forget to put glue over here. We're gonna install it like this. And then we're gonna add the 2-inch part. This is the last 2-inch. We're gonna put it properly like this. And again, don't forget to put glue, because all these parts over here, they're gonna be glued together. The only part that you're gonna be able to remove is this part, which is the top part. We're gonna make some holes all around it, and we're gonna install the motor and the blade over here. So simply, whenever you want to use it, you fill this with ice and you close it, and the air is gonna go, it's gonna blow from this side. And this is how it's supposed to look like. Okay, and now it's time to do our USB connection. So we're gonna keep only the red and the blue. And now we're gonna solder our wires. And now it's time to secure our cable. And now we're gonna install our blade on the motor. And now we're gonna make 1-inch hole right here. And now it's time to install all the pieces together. And guys, don't forget to glue everything all together. All these parts, they have to be glued all together. The only part that you do not glue is the part with the motor. And that's how much ice I'm gonna be using. It's around 6 cubes. Make sure you do not exceed the limit, because we don't want the blade to touch the ice while it's spinning. And there you go, guys. I think we've reached our lowest temperature degree. What's nice about this project, you can take it outside, you can use your power bank, put it next to your computer, you're gonna feel the cool air coming to your face, and once you're done, you can simply empty the container, and whenever you need to use it, just add new ice. So thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe to Fixitsamo, and we will see you next time.